Watching Valkyrie and Inglourious Basterds. I've watched a lot of films. It's not only Valkyrie and Inglourious Basterds, but so I mean, yeah, it's not inspired from anything particular. It's just a story that we came up with. We liked it. We decided to do it. We convinced these two gentlemen. I convinced them to do it, and that's how it came about. But yeah, I mean, if you're asking me whether the end of the film is like Inglourious Basterds, maybe.
I thought कि it really triggers off your imagination. जो imagination है, जो concept है इस film का कि ये जो raw agents हैं वो तय करते हैं कि हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे. ओके, वली खान जो इरफान का कैरेक्टर है वो 9 साल से वहाँ पर है. He's been observing the movement और उसे लगता है कि ये सही मौका है और वो मौका मिलते ही these 4 patriots go inside. तो एक तो patriotism जो थी in a very today manner, it's not, and also I think मुझे जो बात बहुत अच्छी लगी थी कि लोग ये जब पिक्चर देखकर बाहर निकलेंगे तो वो यही सोचेंगे कि क्या यार ऐसा हुआ था, हुआ है, हो सकता है, so they will come back with that question in their heads. And I think जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, that's what was in the back of my head कि क्यों ना give it to people कि लोग जो चाहते हैं really, अगर ऐसा हो जाए तो कितना मजा आएगा लोगों को.
For me, when Nikhil narrated the script, it was like a roller coaster ride, and my concern was whether we would be able to do the similar thing, we would be able to translate it into screen, and then because it was very well researched script, and the kind of detailing the script had, for me it was unbelievable. And my only concern was whether we will be able to put the team together. And I started asking questions to Nikhil, and Nikhil said that we are calling this guy from Batman Returns and things like that. I thought it's just bullshit, he's जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि हम इसको बुला रहे हैं, उसको बुला रहे हैं. But he seemed serious. And then, things started falling into place, and, now you have this film.
I think action was defined to us. In fact, Irfan and I were just chatting about it 5 minutes ago, how wonderfully Tom Stotters is kind of choreographed. It's great choreography. It really, it's different kinds of action. There's actions that's elaborate, where you want to see each and everything that is happening. Then there's action like in D-Day, which is very, very realistic. And you see something happening, you don't know what it really is, but it's happened. And for that, it takes hours and hours of training. And we trained a lot with Tom Stotters. I wish he was here. He's really a really big backbone in this film as well. And he's given us some great skill and some great techniques of fighting, how raw agents would fight. And Irfan and me have really, really trained very hard in that action because we have a lot of action sequences between us as well in the movie. And I think that's what it is. So I like realistic action. And this was totally up my sleeves, and D-Day gave me the opportunity to do it. So for me, the definition of action right now is go and watch D-Day and you will know what it is.
मैंने action बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy किया. मतलब this is the first time I've done action, and when Nikhil had called me and he narrated the subject to me, he did give me the option of playing another character in the film, but I chose to do this because I thought कि ऐसा मौका फिर नहीं मिलेगा और action करने का, and to train with Tom and to work with everyone else. It's difficult. I don't necessarily enjoy hand-to-hand combat, but it's a lot of fun, and I hope everyone's going to enjoy it too.
एक सीन है जहाँ पे अर्जुन रामपाल कहता है कि तुम श्रुति हासन को कि तुम लोगों के साथ सोती हो, मैं लोगों को सुलाता हूँ. So that is the only thing that they objected to. I had to explain to them that she's playing a prostitute in Karachi from the film, to which they said that picture में ठीक है, पर ये promo में वो बहुत ही शरीफ और sweet लड़की दिखती है. तो if it's possible, Arjun Rampal should not be saying that. That's all they've said. There is no other problem.